Hello and welcome back to the course on Tableau. And in today's tutorial, we're going to install Tableau onto our computer. So, what do we need to install Tableau? Well, the only thing that we'll need is a browser. So let's go ahead and bring that up. And where you'll need to proceed to is www.tableau.com. Now, you have two options here. You can install Tableau and get a demo version of Tableau. That's, of course, if you don't have a full license of Tableau already. If you have a full license of Tableau already, then you can proceed with the first option and then use your license. Otherwise, if you don't have a full license, you can either use a trial version of Tableau. They provide a 14-day trial, or you can use Tableau Public, which you can get at public.tableau.com. So we're going to start with option number one, and then I'll explain a bit more about Tableau Public. So as you can see here, the latest version of Tableau is Tableau 10. Now, what we need to click is the Try Now button up at the top. Once we click that, here we can download our free trial. And in order to do that, we're going to need to enter our email. And let's, for argument's sake, put in email test123@gmail.com and click download free trial. And now, as you can see, your Tableau installation has started downloading. So I'm going to cancel this one because I already have Tableau installed on my computer. And also you will notice that there are a couple of versions. So the version that's been downloaded is the one that has been recognized for my computer. That's a 64-bit Windows version. If you need a 32-bit version for Windows, you can get it here. Or if you need the Mac version, you can get it here as well. But normally the website will recognize the correct version that you need and download that one right away. So there you go. And once you have downloaded the installation package, just install Tableau, select the 14-day free trial and proceed with the prompts. After that, you will get an icon on your desktop. Now, if you want to proceed with the Tableau Public version, then you'll need to go to public.tableau.com, and Tableau Public is absolutely free. So it doesn't have any limitations in terms of the amount of days that you can use it for. It's a completely free software. It does have a few slight restrictions. For example, you cannot create extracts and you cannot save files directly onto your computer. You'll have to save them onto the Tableau Public server, but that is not a big hurdle in terms of completing this course. You will be able to totally complete this course. I've done it myself. I've created the most complex visualizations in this course using Tableau Public, and you can totally do that as well. Moreover, if you scroll down here, you'll see that Tableau Public has over 190,000 authors, over 20,000 visualizations are published per month, and has 25 million views per month. And that is all because Tableau Public is a very convenient tool. It is free, and it is often used by people like journalists and professions where they're not facing any sensitive data, where they just want to create some really interesting visualizations that they want to share with the world. So Tableau Public is a great option. I often get asked what is the best way to take this course if the Tableau trial has expired, or if somebody decides that the trial is not long enough. Tableau Public is a great option to complete this course. So select one of those two. Either select Tableau. I'll be using Tableau, the full version, throughout this course. So if you like to follow along exactly, then select the Tableau full version. If your trial has expired, or you just want something that doesn't have a time limitation, go with Tableau Public, and you'll be able to follow along with 99% of this course as well. And once you've installed Tableau, you'll get a desktop icon just like this one. So if you double click it, that will bring up Tableau, and this is what it looks like inside. And this is where we'll get to the fun stuff. And we'll proceed with that in the further tutorials of this course. I can't wait to see you next time, and until then, happy analyzing.